Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example 10 plus 6 divide 3 round bracket open 3 minus 2 round bracket close. So here now first we solve the division or parenthesis. So first we solve the parenthesis. Okay, so 10 plus 6 divide 3 and 3 minus 2 is 3 divide 3 minus 2 is 1, and now 10 plus 6 10 plus 6 divide 3 of condition in BODMAS. Okay, so here bracket we can solve it, and 3 multiply 1 is 3. So now 10 plus 6 divide 3 is 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 is the final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video, and write comment below on which topic you want a video.